I want you guys to see this trade play out. That's why I'm showing you this. Taking forever, but this is why I stayed in the trade, because I want you guys to see this trade play out. 18 is. Hold on a second. Let's see what we're doing. Okay, we got fill in the first contract, right? All right, I'm looking for some follow through now. Hey guys, make sure to follow me on Twitter as well. The handler is @FuturesWithMike. Once again, that's @FuturesWithMike. Go ahead over now, click follow, and that way any postings that I post or short video clips, whatever it may be, to the Twitter account that may not make its way onto the YouTube channel, that way you'll be privy of that information as well. Thanks guys for watching. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike, and once again today I am trading the Emini S&P 500 futures. I had a little problem on recording on my audio this morning, but this is my live session of me recording a live session recording of the my Emini S&P 500 futures session here. So what we can see is that the market has been pushing higher and higher, higher, breaking and making new highs, right? So since this morning, since the early part of this morning, the market has been pushing higher, have a little pullbacks, but nothing to really get into a really solid trade on, to be honest. Yeah, not at all. So what I'm looking for is some rejection. We haven't gotten that yet, so I'm just waiting to see what the market's going to do, and then try to take a trade. I am looking for I'm looking for a short, but let's see. 25. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I want to thank everyone for watching the video this morning. Or watching this video now. I'm currently sitting here recording it, so hopefully I can get it uploaded to you guys sometime before around midday or early part of the afternoon. And so if you're watching it now, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for those who have subscribed to the channel. Thank you to those who have been liking the video content, because I continue to get emails saying thank you for the the information, the valuable information you've been sharing. It's helping, or thank you for sharing your knowledge. And I have no problem doing that, guys. That's to me, that's the goal. Is to not harbor information that you may know. Share it along, pass it along, make someone else's life make someone else's life, not say easy, but make someone else's life as valuable, and kind of help them along so they can have a successful life as well. So we're looking here at the market, and I'm looking at my 12 range chart primarily, guys. That's what I'm studying and looking at, and I just don't see anything that's really, market's just pushing higher, making these little swings to the upside and pulling back sharply. So it's just not, doesn't make much sense right now for me to do anything. So this is why I'm not trading at the current moment. I want to see a nice move. Okay, so if we look at, like I said, yesterday's looking at yesterday's activity in the market, I mean, you just see a bit of sideways action, running about 11, 10, about between 10 and, well, kind of moved sideways most of the day. After 11 o'clock, setting itself up, consolidating before pushing higher. And I got into a trade yesterday, forget exactly what was it, but when I saw this right here, I knew that the market was trying to push higher. I knew, especially when it broke above this area right here at 46.70. When it broke above there, I knew it was going to push higher. I knew it. So, okay. So we'll wait and see what happens here. I guess what I want to talk about today pretty much is more so, how long did it take me to become profitable? A lot of people have questions like that, and I guess I share that information. For me, I've already shared that it was about 9 years ago when I started with the interest that I had in the markets, but profitability, it probably took me about, I'd say 2 years. When I say being profitable, it wasn't like an overnight success where I was making, loads of money or anything like that. It was, taking crumbs off the table, small profits here and there. It all adds up at the end of the day. But when you do that consistently, then every single day, because when you become good at trading and you found your niche, then you should be making profit every day. Not to say you won't have a losing trade here and there, but be able to make up for that and make some is what I'm trying to say. So let me see what the market's doing here, because this could be a great opportunity if the market plays out here. So I like to see this close, this candle here close right here, this red candle, close to the downside, and then on a pullback to maybe 47.10. That's what I'm telling you guys to take a trade at. If you could take a trade there, I'm not telling you too that you could take a trade because then you'd be on a pullback. So we'll wait and see what happens. But so far the market is not it's not doing that. We'll wait. But yeah, 7 years ago for me is when I started. So it took me roughly 2 years to be almost before. But that's because I learned the wrong way, and my mind kind of got cluttered with so many different things. I mean, I was trading with lots of indicators and waiting for this to happen before I did this, getting on trade at the wrong time or too late, or taking the trades sometimes too early and getting scared out and jumping out, and then the trade goes in your direction. I hear these stories all the time. Trust me, I know where you guys are coming from. Been there, done it, and trust me, if you stick with it and you learn the right way of trading, you'll say that it's like most things in life. If you stick with it long enough, let it iron itself out, then you will become successful. Trust me. So let's see. She does seem like she wants to break, right? Okay. To be honest with you, price breaks here, we could actually get a pull. I mean, we could actually trade on down here to 69. I mean 99, 98 here, and we're breaking. So I'm going in with one contract, and then I'm gonna let the price. I like to see the market pull back to around right here. Now, what you should wait for is really, guys, is this right here to happen. The market to, it broke below, pull back, and then the red candle, pretty much the can on the 12 range. If you wait on that to go short, and that's what I should be waiting on. But I'm long in this trade early because I'm comfortable that price is going to break the area, break through this area right here, okay, and come on down here. And this could be a 5-point run, 4-point, 4.5, something like that run. So we'll see what happens. Okay, so price is just moving back and forth around the point of control. This is why I say it's kind of dangerous trading around the POC. But we should get some continuation to the downside, testing this low right here, or testing this swing low where price moved to the upside here, down here at 47.03, and hopefully get some fall through to come on down and test test a little lower, maybe 4,700. So that's what I'm thinking, guys. That's what I'm banking on. That's what I'm pretty sure the market is going to want to do here. So with that said, let me go ahead and put my second target on down here. Where we at? I put it at 47.01. Yeah, price. I think it's going to come lower though. Put it right here. All right, so we're still in the trade. Going short, rejection from the tops, price building volume right here. I mentioned to you earlier, price broke this area right here within this swing, okay? And then when it did that, you want to wait for price to come back, meaning retrace back. All right, that's on the 12 range. You see it retrace back. 4 range, see it retrace back to this area right here, around 47.10. That's what I said earlier, right? So I'm thinking we should get some fall through to the downside now. So let's just wait it out and see what happens. So if it can get filled here, this would be a 3-point move on the first contract, and then 3 more points on the second contract. So that would position us around 6 points for this trade. All right, let's let it ride. Come on. One tick away, right? Look at that, bounce right off of it. Should push on down. Wait it out here. Be right back, guys. Okay, let's see. Hmm. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, don't mind me, guys. I'm just looking at some things. Just looking at a couple of things. Hmm. Price is wedging around the point of control. It's pulling back, right? Okay. Came down here to the tick and hit my profit target and didn't feel it. Ah, why is it pulling back so deep? Okay. Hmm. Still hasn't broken this low right here. Swing low at 43. It's getting 47.03. Hmm. Well, hmm. Yeah. Hmm. Let's see. Should come down here and take out this 4703 area. I'm not sure why the price is wedging like this. Market is wedging pretty hard here. Um, See it building volume in this area right here. Just hold on. Hold the position. Yep, wedging around the VPOC. Maybe we'll get this pushed down now. We'll probably take out this low right here at 4703. Fill this my first contract and then push lower. Just waiting on that move. And this trade is, I've taken a trade because of the rejection at the tops up here. And this one, you take it on the pullback. Price breaking the level, breaking into the level, pull back, and then the close, take a short entry. Okay, this trade is playing out, taking forever, but you keep, tugging back to the VPOC and pulling back to the VPOC. And you came down here one time and hit my profit target right there at 4703 and a quarter. Hopefully to come back down here again, but you hit it and then take this swing low here out and continue pushing lower. So that's the aim. It's the goal there. It's currently almost 11 o'clock now, and I've been in this trade for a while, but I'm pretty confident it's going to come down here and take this low right here out, and hopefully we get a little push to the downside, moving through this low volume area and hitting this or testing this little small high volume area right here. But you got to know, we just building volume right here. We don't have any volume above us, and we don't have anything to the left of the chart. So all this new price movement is new. It's new movement in the market. Price is pushing higher to areas where there's no volume above. Oh, come on. It's driving me nuts. Come on, push lower. Almost. Hmm. So still in trade, guys. This is taking quite a bit of time. We just It's Friday, guys. November the 5th, and if you look at what the market's done since opening this morning, um, it hasn't done much. I just push up here, so you basically couldn't get any trades in this area here, and this is all prices done, and that's how Fridays can be a little bit tricky trading because about 50% of the time, most times you find Fridays are kind of sideways action, moving sideways. Not saying that some Fridays may not be, maybe, um, may not be a good time to actually trade. Today, for instance, you can see the market just building volume, consolidating at the tops, and um, I think at some point it's going to break lower, or at least pull back. Okay, so that's what I'm waiting on. Whew, this is a long trade, guys. Been in this trade for a while. Sometimes you just hold it out and be patient, and everything works out for you. Looks like I lost my profile up here on the 60-minute chart. It's okay. I'll just wait it out. I'll be right back, guys. Yes, sir. It's gonna be one of those days. Market's just getting volume here. So, I've said this plenty of times in the past, guys. Um, take your trades from the upper portion of a high volume area, not the lower portion. Take it from the lower portion. Price is gonna pull back to the mean, to the middle, where the high volume is at. So we take it from down here. Price is gonna be like a rubber band or magnet, just pull it right back. So take it from the top portion of a high volume area if you're looking to go short, and it allow it to trade to the downside of the high volume area. So 46, 47.06. So I took my trade way too early, and you guys saw me when I got into the trade right here, being aggressive, but take your trade in that pullback. So take your trade back up here at 47.10, like I said, and price would never came back and tested that area. Like when it pulled back right here, 47.10, take the trade short, take your trade short from the top portion of the high volume area. So when price pulls back several times to the VPOC, the highest it pulled was 47.09. So you're still being profit right now. And just take that ride to the downside. Okay, come on down. Man, this is probably been one of the longer trades that I've been into. It'd have been sweet had I just take the pullback trade here and wrote it down to, got in here, took it to the low. So I got in at 47.10, took it on down to 47.3. That'd have been a 7-point move right there. And then still had room when price breaks this area right here to come on down to 4700, pick up another three points. So that'd have been a 10-point move right there. So bounce it again. Just waiting. Ooh. Come on, get filled. I'm waiting to get filled, guys, down here on that first contract. Taking forever, taking forever. Get filled here. This will put us at 3 points on the first contract. 2 ticks away. Come on, 1 tick away. Look at that. I want you guys to see this trade play out. That's why I'm showing you this. Taking forever, but this is why I stayed in the trade, because I want you guys to see this trade play out. 18 is. Hold on a second. Okay, we got filled in the first contract, right? All right, I'm looking for some follow through now. Okay, come on. Come on down. Finally breaking lower, right? And I'm into the trade. Yes, it's okay. Right here. I want to get filled in this contract right here. All right, almost at 5 points. Okay, almost. Now we can pull back to, in all honesty, if price breaks here, closes here, we can actually we could actually pull back up to around the 4704 area on a pullback. So we don't want to see it, but that's the reality of what price could actually do. So okay, so if we close here, we'll be at close at 6 points on this trade here for that one contract. So we'll see. Come on. Well, I got my target at. Put it right there. Go ahead and close this trade out because I'm tired of this trade taking forever. Look at it. Bouncing to the tick right here. Huh. Okay, we're in this low volume area. Like I said, price could come on down here and test this area right here around 4,700. So we're close to a round number now. Okay. Hmm. Come on. Fill my entry. Come on, hit the PT. Profit target. One tick away. One tick away and it's bouncing off of it. Gracious. Okay. They're pulling back on me right now. I mentioned that price could pull back here. It's okay. Hmm. Look at it pull back. Pulling back, right? Hmm. Uh, driving me crazy. Driving me crazy. Let's see. Hmm. All right. Pulling back to 74, the 4704, like I said, right? So it could pull a little higher, come up to 74, excuse me, 4705. We'll wait and see. Come on down. Okay. Hmm. Okay. It should come on down here. Should push lower. Just wait and see what happens. Hmm. Oh man, taking forever. Gracious. Okay. Come on. Driving me crazy. Alright guys, just gotta wait it out. It's pulling back. Okay, maybe it looks like it's coming back down here now. I knew that would pull back to 4704. We should get a test down here, like I said, 4700. So we'll wait to see what happens. Hmm. Come on. Oh my God, it's not want to go up, does it, guys? I mean, go down. Come on. Came back down here to 4701 and a quarter, and 3 ticks away. It's going to come down there. It will come down. All right, let's see. 1 tick away. Come on, fill it. Let's close this contract right here. Hitting the profit target now, hitting that PT, and bouncing off of it, right? All right. I'm just going to sit back and wait on it. Ah, look at that. Hit it right there. Hit it, didn't it? Bounced off. Okay. We're just waiting for it to fill that order there. Okay, so pull it back. Pull it back to 4706 within this swing area right here. So let's see. Yep, and I said it could come back to 47. I said 47.05. Okay, 47.04. But let's see. It hasn't closed to the downside yet on this swing here to the downside. Um, oh, I said 47.04. I said 47.05. So in this area here is pulling back to, so it could pull it back. It's pushing lower, so hopefully we get filled here and I can finally close this trade out after about an hour. It's crazy. But that's the ES. Typically on a Friday, it can move sideways, range, or consolidate before it makes a move. Okay, we finally got filled in that trade. Gracious. All right, so let's see. Um, let's see. Today's the 5th, right? Okay, we'll go ahead and share that with you guys. Okay, that was a trade took forever, but that one trade there gave me 34 ticks, and we don't have much you can trade. You had to wait for that movement, the entry right there. It would have been a sweeter trade if I waited for the pullback, because then, like I said, that would have been a 10-point move. But all in all, I think it was about 6 points. So that was 34 right there. Okay. So I think, guys, right now, that's all I'm going to do for the day right now, unless I see another setup in the market. Then I may take a trade. But, hey, I appreciate everyone watching the channel and, watching the videos. First time watching, please take the time to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit that little bell notification if you don't mind. If you're interested, and that way you'll never miss one of the one of my uploads that I post to the channel here. But yeah, that was my one little entry for today. Some days are like that. I know you guys are used to seeing me take multiple trades, but today wasn't that didn't give me that opportunity. So appreciate everyone for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. If you're trading in the market, guys, please stay safe in the market. Today is, we finally got this breakout here today. It's kind of a sidewinder type day, and don't know what it's going to do from here, but we are moving into an area of support. So take care. See you in the next video. Hey guys, make sure to follow me on Twitter as well. The handler is @FuturesWithMike. Once again, that's @FuturesWithMike. Go ahead over now, click follow, and that way any postings that I post or short video clips, whatever it may be, to the Twitter account that may not make its way onto the YouTube channel, that way you'll be privy of that information as well. Thanks guys for watching.